स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello friends, welcome to Manual. Today in this video we'll talk all about the very unique program and the pioneering program in India, that is globalization and labor. And this program offered by TISS after cracking the TISNET. So here we'll talk about the very important points like eligibility criteria, paper pattern, cutoff, the selection process, program details, seat availability, fee structure, campus, and the placement regarding this program. So let's talk about it. In case you want to join our online program, you can call on this number or you can simply visit at manuaedu.com. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So friends, as you know, to enter into TISS, you have to crack the TISNET. So here we'll talk in detail about the TISNET first. So eligibility criteria says you must have the bachelor's degree and there is no age bar, and the exam details such as the mode will be online, there will be 100 questions, time duration will be 100 minutes. The marking system here is for each correct answer you will get +1 mark, and for each incorrect answer you will get 0. That means no negative marking system here. And here is the paper pattern. So it includes mainly 3 sections. The first one is English, 30 question out of it. The second one is the mathematics and logical reasoning, 30 question out of it. And the third one is general awareness, 40 question out of it. So total 100 questions, and here you have to score 70 plus marks to pursue the globalization and labor program. So moving further, here we'll talk about the selection process, and as you know, the TISNET score plays the qualifying role here, and thereafter you will move to the second stage of selection process, that is nothing but the pre-interview test, PIT, and the personal interview. So here the 70% weightage for the PIT and the 30% weightage for the PI section. So moving further, so here we'll talk about the campus. As all you know, the Mumbai campus is the hub for overall all programs offered by the TISS Institute, and it is the oldest one, which established in 1936, and it became deemed university in 1964. So let's talk about the program details. The School of Management and Labor Studies offers all these programs, and here we'll talk in detail about globalization and labor. And to get detail about these programs, you can watch our previous videos on the YouTube. So let's move further. So Master of Arts in Globalization and Labor program from the School of Management and Labor Studies started in 2007 in collaboration with GLU, that is Global Labor University, and in partnership with ILO, that is International Labor Organization. And the school has the seat intake of 23. The duration of course is for 2 years, that means 4 semester, and it includes 5 internship, out of which 2 internships are the mandatory. The first one is called block internship, which is for 2 months, and the second one is the trade union internship, which is for 1 month, and it also includes the research dissertation. So as you know, in first semester it includes the foundation course, and in the rest of the semester it includes the orientation to the subject matter. So let's move further. So here is the question come, what is the globalization? As it is deeply rooted in the world's economy, on one hand it has created huge potential for business development across the globe, and on the other hand it has made both global and local markets more competitive. So the globalization is seen as the major driver for the economic growth, but from another perspective it is feared that globalization adversely affects the labor interest, and therefore overall globalization is the process of interaction and the integration among people, companies and governments worldwide. And this course provides a framework to understand the diversity of experiences of globalization and its impact global social economy on work and labors in informal sectors. So friends, overall ऐसा कहते हैं कि globalization has the huge potential, but it affects more with respect to labor's interest. So friends, if you want to know about the globalization and what is their effects, so here is the example of the Suzuki Motors India venture. So let's move further. Here we'll talk about the fee structure. The academic fees here is the 1.05 lakh for 2 years, and with hostel fees it stands at 2.29 lakhs for 2 years. So friends, here is a very nominate fee structure, and thus it gives the best ROI, that is nothing but the return on investment, where you will get the packages like highest package stand at 10 to 12 lakh per annum, median at 9 lakh per annum, and the average stand at 8.5 lakh per annum. And if you have 3 to 5 years of experience in relevant field, then you will get more than these numbers. So let's move further. Here we'll talk about the career scope and the placements. So guys, this course offers a number of options in different fields like industrial relations, corporate social responsibilities, global think tanks, skill development, job creation, and much more. So friends, lot of the students finds the employment in all these organizations. These are like FactSet, Genpact, Tata Trust, HCL, IPAC, Mahindra Group, KPMG, some of government organizations like Coal India, NABARD, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Central Bank of India, some of the international organizations like International Labour Organization, UNESCO, UNDP, ITF, that is International Transport Workers Federation, and some of the academic and research facilities such as CSDS, ICDD, IIM Calcutta, IIM Indore, IIT Delhi, and so on. So friends, this is all from the today's video. If you have any queries and doubts, you can ask me in the below comment section. So friends, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding the TISNET. And to crack TISNET, join Manwa online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional, and the full course, and you can also attend our live lectures. So call on 8828581455, or you can simply visit at manwaedu.com/MBA entrance, and this link I also mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar, and Vasai. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.